Hloso was caught red-handed by his own kids after kidnapping their mom for so long and pretending to comfort them. Mthunzi did a good job following him, and Odintle keeps finding out, 1, that he did not use the money to pay for little school fees but he bought a car, and 2, that he's been cooking for Madlomo and keeping him in the same building where they live. The kids found them, also trying to run away, no Madlomo. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Mthunzi did a good job, hey, following Unhloso around and even parking outside their apartment to see ukuthi uyaphi. Only to realize ukuthi Unhloso was not going anywhere, akahamba kayiphuma building. And then the kids phone him, ukuthi we're worried about you, Baba Mncane. Where are you? You didn't come home. Kwenzakalani? He tells them that I think your dad kidnapped your mom because he's been like akaphumanga kodwa akaphumanga building. But Spider, why will he do that? I know you guys have beef, but he wouldn't kidnap Uma. Hi, Mthunzi keeps on following him. Uyamuzwa ukuthi he's going to meet up someone. Unhloso sees uLihle and tells her ukuthi kuzolunga, don't worry, and all that. Uma wakho, you need to have faith ukuthi uma wakho uzoba right. Mthunzi is still following him. Udinhle goes to see Lihle, telling her ukuthi I'm sorry about your mom, you must be happy about your school fees being paid up for the whole year. Lihle is like, how? But musipapa ubuditse and you were happy at how? Uthi ungijweditse kanjani? Because ubaba benginaye, I was with him today. He didn't mention any school fees, and yesterday I was not with him. Ulihle is now short with how Ulihle ukhuluma ngani, and tries phoning him. Unhloso doesn't pick up as usual. And then Unhloso gets a phone call from umkhulu wakhe, Madlomo's father. Madlomo's dad is like, what's going on? I'm seeing on social media that your mom has been kidnapped. Now they're short with how Unhloso said he told them, Jay. Now they're worried because why did he lie? At Mthunzi, for the same reason he stole your mother's medication. I think unayo mawako. Now Ulihle comes back and tells them, as I was with Ubaba and it was extremely strange. Now Dinhle says that he paid for my fees. In University Basi, they did not get any payment. Mthunzi is like, you know what? I think I know what he did with the money. He bought a car. I saw him giving some man an envelope and he gave him money. They decide to go to Dinhle's apartment to look for him. Let me call the police. You can't just raid my house. But we think Ubaba is the one that took Uma. That's wrong. Why are you accusing him of kidnapping your mom? After everything that he's been doing for you, he's been cooking for you, spending time with you. But Ubaba kazanga spend his katinati. He never even brought us food. Because now she's wondering, where was the food going? Now Dinhle is starting to realize, where is Unhloso? Dinhle then starts to think, if Unhloso has not been cooking for the kids and spending time with them, and that day he saw him coming from upstairs saying that he was getting some fresh air, wanted to see the view from the top, Dinhle realized, but I think I know where Umadlomo is. And then she takes them upstairs. They get to the room where Unhloso has been keeping Madlomo. The ones Hloso has been taking. Lihle says, this is my mom's hair. How Uma wear lapha, but now she's not here anymore. And they're now outside in the car. Umadlomo is busy begging Unhloso, please, can I please see my kids? Just say goodbye to my kids before Samba. Unhloso aqasuka athi, hayi, Namango, you want to see Umthunzi? The kids come. They show up busy looking for Madlomo. And then Umadlomo starts screaming, Tutuko, they see them. They start screaming, they stand in front of the car. Baba Mvulele, please let her go. Get out of the car. Kasa, get out of the car. Unhloso aqasuka, say wena thula wena. Unhloso is caught red-handed by his own kids after comforting them for so long, pretending to be Uzolana Nabagan is the one that took their mom. Untutu will never forgive Hloso for this, hey? And already but now kidnapping their mother and pretending as if he doesn't know. This time around he is really messed up. Hey, they beg him, please let Ma go. Atumadlomo, please, can you see what you're doing to the kids? Vule man, let me go. Hi, Tori Soliana drops a bomb with Tapelo with you in a bishop to represent Mama. Arishwang, why would you do that? Mama deserves to be there. And I won't just let Mama rot in prison. I had to help her. Tabs are right again, well. It's your money. You do what you want. Toris is like, no, let's say this whole thing neki fault here, Papa Kiena, at Mama. The divorce thing really hurt her. So Papa is to be blamed. Once again, this is going to backfire. And when it does, I'm going to tell you what I told you so. Nina Bishop then brings the phone that Talita asked for. Kanzi, she wants to phone Utiro like she anticipated. She phones Tiro and tells him that, Manaka, I've been arrested, and Neki Tapelo that got me arrested. Tiro was furious. I writes, Mama, please don't worry, Mom. leave Tapelo to me. I'm going to deal with him. I'm going to come up with a plan because Utata was saying, yo, these people are Bantwenya. I need to get out of here. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.